Lying wide awake, I can't sleep tonight. Staring at the ceiling like a restless child. Cause you're running around telling all these lies. You're telling all these lies, boy. You said you needed space, but you're out right now. Drinking with your friends, having a good time. But when you're feeling lonely, you come back around. You come back around.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We are heading off to, I got Zach some sweatpants for our anniversary, but it was like the extra tall or something, and they were really long. And he is actually really tall, so it was kind of interesting. But anyway, so we're gonna stop in at HomeGoods. We're gonna pick up a couple of different things for some videos that are coming up, like my cement bowl that you guys have requested, so look out for that video. We are starting that tonight. And I'm going to HomeGoods. I did go to HomeGoods like a week ago and picked up a couple of things, so that's coming out. That'll actually probably be out either today or tomorrow. That's this video. Also, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I make this at-home coffee, and usually what I would do if we were gonna go out go shopping, I would stop and grab me a coffee or something to drink, but my at-home coffee is so good that I don't even have to do that anymore. Also, I really need to paint my nails, but I'm gonna do that later. Anyway, come shop with us.
Oh, these so cute, huh? I want one of those. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these so bad. Oh my gosh. Unfreaking real. Oh my god. Dude, it's hot out here. You feel like what? Yeah, mixed with modern. Look at this vessel. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. What do you think? More doubles. This thing is so cool. I love that. It's very big. I love this for like a console table or a credenza sideboard with like some olive twig. Stunning. This farm table is gorgeous. Even this would actually be so pretty for like an outdoor table if it was like you had a big outdoor table. Okay, so we are loving, this place is called Antiquities. It's in Arizona and we are dying. It's like the perfect place for like home decor. It's definitely all vintage, all antique, one of a kind. And I think they even have a website, but the thing is it's, you would have to mix this in with some modern because it's just very, very antique-y. Don't you think? It's so, it's amazing. I'm dying. It reminds me of a place back in LA that we visited called Big Daddy's, but they have like even more. And honestly, some of the pricing isn't that bad so far. Pricing is a little confusing, but it's good. Okay, so Zach and I were passing these, and I thought these would be so beautiful in like a pool house to have like a Tuscan pool, like tropical Tuscan, and turn these into like a sink. I don't know if you could like drill a hole or how you would do that, but these, oh my gosh. These would be so cute for like a pantry, or even like, look at these ones over here. Any of these doors for like a pantry. I mean, these are kind of massive. But like, look at these doors. So cute. Or like, if you had like a place in your home where you can have like really large doors. Unreal. Those ones back there are really cute too. You see them like far back there? Okay, let's go. So back there, pantry doors. Stunning. Love those. I love this one. This one's beautiful. Like that one. So good. Oh my gosh, I want these. I want them all.
So the next spot that we hit up was a local boutique. I always like to pop in to local boutiques because I find that they sometimes have unique pieces. The music was way too loud in here, so I'm having to do a voiceover, but I thought I would still share this footage just in case anything catches your eye or in case you needed some inspiration for your own home. Right off the bat, as soon as we walked into HomeGoods, I saw similar baskets that I've been seeing at Crate&Barrel and just at that boutique that we were just at the day before. So in this video, I am shopping between 2 days, but I always try to find the most expensive looking items that look like they would be in luxury high-end stores, and that's what I do every single time I'm in HomeGoods, and that's really what keeps me on track when shopping at HomeGoods. In case you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe so you never miss a video from me, and turn on your bell because you might miss a video without the bell. And leave me a comment if you like videos like this. I only got a couple of things. I also got a couple things in the mail, so I'm gonna show those as well. And I'm gonna give you guys a couple of HomeGoods like tricks, or I guess maybe like rules that I follow. I wanted to give you guys a couple, just like a little bit of an idea of how I walk into HomeGoods or really any store. So before I even go shopping, I kind of think about the things that I need or want to replace. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that lately Zach and I have been replacing a lot of our kitchen items and a lot of our home items, getting rid of just like cheap old crap or trendy things that I got in the past, and we've been doing this for years. Trendy things that we've gotten in the past, or just things that we were to hold us over till we save to buy a new one. Anything like that, we're getting rid of it, and we are slowly investing in timeless pieces. And that is how I walk into HomeGoods. I think HomeGoods can get very dangerous, and the reason why I say that is because I think you could walk into HomeGoods and spend a lot of money or get caught up in all the different trends, because they have kind of like a plethora of trends going on in there. So I think having a game plan and kind of knowing what you want and knowing where you want your home to go is key when shopping at HomeGoods or even Target or any kind of affordable home shopping stores. So that's what I first want to start by saying. And the way that I do this is I
I look on Pinterest, and I also have made a vision board for my future home. So although we're in an apartment, I have a vision board of our future home. And I think that this is good even if you already in your forever home. It's good to kind of think about, okay, where do I want my house to go next? And how do I want to approach my shopping? Because it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money and a lot of like getting, like when I'm in HomeGoods, I am going after like exactly what I need. I'm not messing around. Sure, I look at stuff, but I'm there for a reason. Okay, for those of you who are here for the home decor haul, here we go. The first item that I have, the first two items that I have, actually I'll do the HomeGoods stuff first. You guys, I already know, but hear me out. I didn't buy it for its purpose. I got this mortar and pestle, but I'm not gonna be using it as a mortar and pestle. I'm gonna keep the little, I'm gonna keep that, I'm gonna store it away, but I got it for the bowl. I was watching Jeremiah and Nate Burkes's home tour a while ago, and they had in one of their guest bathrooms or one of their bathrooms, they had a stone sink that looked just like this with the little ears, I think is what they called them. In their video, they like joked about it. And I thought this would be so cool to have as a serving dish, like whether that's like a salsa dish or, you know, if you had any other kind of like dips that you wanted to put in here. You could even use this as like a catch-all. I just always try to think outside of the box of every single home decor piece, because although it's a mortar and pestle, you don't have to use it as that. So I really love this. I actually kind of want to go back and try to get a second one because they had a few, and I just want different pieces in my home that people aren't gonna have or think about, because not everyone's gonna look at this and think, oh, I'm gonna use that as a salsa dish. They're gonna look at it like, oh, I don't need another mortar and pestle. You know what I mean? So I freaking love this. I'm so excited about it. And I just think it's the perfect little unique bowl, unique touch to my home. The next thing that I got is this cement planter by Tahari Home. This was $24.99. Oh, the mortar and pestle was $14.99. I think I forgot to mention that. But I love putting my plants in cement planters because I do a lot of tropical plants. I think that tropical, this is heavy, you guys. I'm sorry, I gotta set it down. I think tropical plants are so luxury. They elevate your home so much. And every time I go into Restoration Hardware, they always have tropical plants in there. So I'm like, you better believe I'm on that tropical train. You know what I mean? So I really love cement planters, pots, whatever they're called, from HomeGoods because they are very affordable and oftentimes they look really, really high end. And I think you got to be really careful going into HomeGoods because you don't want to get too caught up in all what they got going on. And then the last two items that I got, one of them I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram, so make sure that you are there for that. We all know that I am obsessed with bar carts, bar shelves, a full-on bar, a bar corner, anything bar. I think that it just gives me that like feeling of, I don't know, like a 1920s kind of feeling. Like I just imagine being, you know, walking into a bar in the 20s and they have these gorgeous bottles and these tufted couches. I don't know, it's just a thing. I know, I get it. So I got this wood glass rimmer. And I am gonna put my salt in here because if you follow me on Instagram, you know about my jalapeno margarita. It's like gained some popularity, but I'm always using a paper plate or a salad plate. So I got this from Cork and Mill. We are working together on a giveaway. And I am so in love with this. I think it's so beautiful. I think it's the perfect piece to break up my glass bottles, to break up my marble and my brass utensils that I have up there. I just think it's really cool. And we're not looking so with the plates, you know what I mean? We're like looking a little classier around here. And then the last two items are just these two white wine glasses from Crate&Barrel. And I got these because I only have red wine glasses, but I really needed some white wine. I love rosé. I love rosé. I love me a glass of rosé at the end of the day. And I just really wanted some white wine glasses. And a couple years ago, I hosted a workshop and I got these glasses for the workshop. And they've always been on my mind. And I keep seeing them on Instagram. And I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna order me some. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna get them. So I got them. All right, you guys, these are the items that I picked up. I know it's not a lot, and it's never gonna be a lot because I'm not one to buy a lot, but I still wanted to share these just in case it gave you guys some ideas for your own home. And I just love them. I love picking out just cool, new, unique pieces for my home and developing it over time. I know I say it all the time, but I really think it's the best way to home shop. So I hope that these items gave you some ideas for your own home. And my next video coming out this week is my DIY cement candle. So many of you have been requesting that video, so I heard you and I'm doing it. I picked up all of the materials that I needed today, and it's going to be out this week. So look out for that. It's coming very, very soon. But I just wanted to thank you guys so much again for being here, for supporting my channel, for leaving me so much love and encouragement to keep going. I love you guys. I love you guys freaking so much. I can't even. Okay, that is it. I am going to go put these away and start the candle video. So look out for that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.